Feeling tired, moody, or just off lately? These could be signs your hormones are out of balance. Today, I'll show you 10 common signs of hormonal imbalance and, most importantly, how to fix them naturally. From unexplained weight gain to anxiety and fatigue, these are the signs you shouldn't ignore. Hormones control everything, from your mood and metabolism to your sleep and digestion. They're chemical messengers that ensure your body functions smoothly. But when they're out of balance, even slightly, they can affect your health in surprising ways. Sign 1. Unexplained weight gain or loss. If you've been gaining or losing weight without changing your diet or exercise routine, hormones might be to blame. Cortisol, the stress hormone, and thyroid hormones regulate your metabolism. When they're off, weight management becomes tricky. To stabilize cortisol levels, reduce processed sugars, add moderate exercise like walking or yoga, and practice stress management techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Sign 2. Fatigue and low energy. Constant fatigue could be caused by an imbalance in thyroid hormones, cortisol, or insulin resistance. If you're tired all the time despite getting enough rest, it could be a hormonal issue. Improve your sleep hygiene, stick to a consistent bedtime, reduce stress, and balance your blood sugar with healthy, regular meals rich in protein and fiber. Sign 3. Mood swings and irritability. Ever feel like your emotions are all over the place? Estrogen, progesterone, and serotonin all play a huge role in regulating mood. An imbalance can cause mood swings, irritability, or even anxiety. Boost your mood with magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens and nuts, and incorporate omega-3 fatty acids from fish or flax seeds to help balance those fluctuating hormones. Sign 4. Irregular periods for women. Missed or irregular periods can be a clear sign that your hormones are out of sync. High levels of androgens or low estrogen and progesterone can disrupt your menstrual cycle. Focus on reducing stress and maintaining a healthy weight. Cycle-friendly foods like flaxseed and healthy fats can also help restore hormonal balance. Sign 5. Difficulty sleeping or insomnia. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Hormones like melatonin and cortisol directly influence your sleep patterns. When these are out of balance, it can cause insomnia or restless nights. Try a calming bedtime routine. Avoid screens before bed, add natural supplements like ashwagandha to promote relaxation, and keep your sleep environment cool and comfortable. Sign 6. Acne or skin issues. Breakouts aren't just a teenage problem. Hormones like androgens can cause adult acne by increasing oil production in your skin. To clear up your skin, cut back on sugar and dairy, add anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric and berries, and use hormone-friendly skincare products. Sign 7. Low libido. A decrease in sexual drive could be due to low testosterone or estrogen levels in both men and women. This can happen naturally with age but can also result from stress or poor diet. Exercise regularly, manage stress, and add zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds and oysters to boost hormone production. Sign 8. Brain fog or poor focus. Having trouble concentrating or experiencing brain fog. It could be linked to cortisol, estrogen, or thyroid imbalances, which affect how clearly you think. Include omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, exercise regularly, and practice mindfulness to sharpen your focus and improve mental clarity. Sign 9. Digestive issues, bloating or constipation. Digestive problems like bloating or constipation can signal a hormonal imbalance. Estrogen, progesterone, and stress hormones can all impact how your digestive system functions. Add more fiber to your diet, manage stress, and incorporate probiotics to support a healthy gut. Sign 10. Hair loss or thinning. Noticing more hair in your brush than usual? Hormones like thyroid hormones or androgens can trigger hair thinning or even hair loss. Focus on a balanced diet with plenty of iron, biotin, and healthy fats. Also, consider getting your thyroid levels checked by a healthcare provider. Balancing your hormones isn't about finding a quick fix, it's about making lasting changes to your lifestyle that support overall hormone health. Start by focusing on a whole food diet. Healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants help support your hormone health. Load up on leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Next, opt for low-impact activities like yoga, walking, or strength training. These types of exercise help reduce cortisol levels and balance insulin. Don't underestimate the power of good sleep and stress management. Prioritize getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and use mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing to lower stress. You might also want to consider adding supplements like omega-3 fatty acids, adaptogens such as ashwagandha or maca, and vitamin D to support hormone regulation. Now that you know the 10 signs of hormonal imbalance, which one resonated with you the most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on how to naturally balance your health. In my next video, I'll be sharing my top 5 hormone balancing smoothie recipes, so hit the notification bell so you don't miss it.